This is a UFO unmanned aerial vehicle without remote sensing. It has flexible mesh barrier made by ABS material, which is environmental friendly and resistant to crash. Start the aircraft. Through to make it fly. No need for remote operation. Simple and convenient. Infrared induction device is at the bottom and around it. It has the function of automatic avoidance. With encountering obstacle at the bottom, it will rise automatically. Hand sensing interactive aircraft. It can be played by many people. The grip turns over to stop flying. Click on its power button to switch into high-speed mode. LED lights make it shine in the night sky. USB charging, safe and durable. Add flying